Details: convicted cop killer Markeith Loyd storms out of a court hearing today. The judge is currently deciding if he will get life or death for the murder of Orlando Police Lieutenant Deborah Clayton. Fox 35's Stephanie Buff-Monty joins us live from the courthouse with that story tonight. So, Stephanie, he took himself out of the courthouse today.
That is right. A big outburst in the courtroom by Markeith Loyd. The microphones weren't on to hear exactly what he was saying, but it was clear he was yelling toward a judge and he was upset.
He is not.
Corrections officers surrounded convicted cop killer Markeith Loyd as he stood up and stormed out of a court hearing today. It's unclear exactly what made him so upset, but in this video from inside the courtroom, Loyd and one of his attorneys were whispering about something right before the tantrum. The attorney walks away, and when she got back about a minute later, it appears something she said angered Loyd to where he stood up, bringing deputies to their feet. He yelled something at the judge that was inaudible and stormed out.
Just so that the record is clear, Mr. Loyd has actually went into the hallway that leads to the holding cells and took himself out of the courtroom. The court has not given him permission to leave. Defense is claiming he's incompetent, which means he doesn't have any, he can't waive his presence.
The judge responding to a comment from defense attorney Allison Miller.
Ms. Miller, he's manifested that behavior since the day he was arrested. There's nothing about his behavior today that is any different from anything that's happened before when he has been examined and found competent to proceed. I don't know whether he's competent or not. That's what we have doctors for.
The court proceedings continued as Loyd watched from the holding cell. Defense expert Dr. Xavier Amador, who evaluated Loyd, diagnosed him with schizophrenia and described one moment where he says Loyd heard voices while in court.
And I asked him, what were they telling you? And he said, one was telling me to get her. And I said, get who? And he answered, quote, the judge.
Now, the judge ordered a competency hearing on February 21st, and on March 3rd, the judge will rule if he gets a life sentence or death sentence. Reporting live in Orlando, Stephanie Buff-Monty, Fox 35 News.
Thanks, Steph.